Hey there! If you've ever wondered how to greet someone in English, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the most common greetings, both formal and informal, and I'll give you real examples so you can start using them right away.
Greetings in English with JB and Jen.
Hey there! Welcome to English for the World. Make sure you subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss our future posts. In this lesson you will learn greeting expressions in English, how to greet someone in English, and how to answer when greeted in English. Now sit back, relax, and let's get started as something great is coming. Ready? How do you greet someone in English? Well, it's simple. Just use a greeting expression when you meet someone. Let's practice together. Hi.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Hi Billy.
Hi Billy.
Hi Johnny.
Hi Johnny.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Hello Farah.
Hello Farah.
Hello Brian.
Hello Brian.
Greetings that include hi, hey, and hello are generally used in informal situations like with friends and family. Hello can also be used in formal situations. One good thing about these expressions is that you can use them anytime. No need to check the time and make sure it's morning, afternoon, or evening. In more formal situations, consider using the following expressions within the indicated time frame. Good morning. Most commonly used before midday, between 5 a.m. and 11:59 a.m. Good afternoon. Most commonly used between 12 p.m. and 4:59 p.m. Good evening. Most commonly used between 5 p.m. and 4:59 a.m. Let's practice together. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good evening, Ms. J.
Good evening, Ms. J.
Good evening, Mr. JB.
Good evening, Mr. JB.
Now, after you say hi or whatever greeting to someone, ask them about their well-being by using expressions like these. How are you? How are you doing? How you doing today? How's it going? How was your day? How was your night? Let's practice together. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi Brandon. How are you doing?
Hi Brandon. How are you doing?
Hi Ramsey. How's it going?
Hi Ramsey. How's it going?
Hey JB. How are you?
Hey JB, how are you?
Hello Brian. How's your day going?
Hello Brian. How's your day going?
Good morning Mom. How are you doing?
Good morning, ma'am. How are you doing?
Good afternoon sir. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Good evening Ms. J. How was your day?
Good evening, Ms. J. How was your day?
Alright, I know you get it. Now that you have learned how to greet people and ask them about their well-being, let's talk about possible responses to the questions as the conversation continues. Answers may include, but are not limited to, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine thanks, and you?
Fine, thanks, and you?
Fine, how about you?
Fine, how about you?
Fine thanks, how about you?
Fine, thanks, how about you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay, nice to see you, bye.
Okay, nice to see you, bye.
Now, let's spice up your learning experience with this demo video about greetings in English, or how to greet someone in English, with examples, in formal and informal situations. Make sure you watch until the end.
Hey there! If you've ever wondered how to greet someone in English, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the most common greetings, both formal and informal, and I'll give you real examples so you can start using them right away. Let's start with the basics. Hello. It's simple, classic, and always safe. You can use hello with anyone, anytime, at work, at school, or even when you meet someone for the first time. Now, if you want to sound a bit more friendly, you can say, hi. This one's more casual. You'd use hi with friends, family, or someone your own age. For example, if I see my friend Sarah, I'd say, hi, Sarah. But what if you want to be really informal? You can go with, hey. Hey is super relaxed. Use it with friends or people you know well. Like, hey, what's up? Speaking of which, what's up is another casual greeting. It's like asking, how are you? But in a chill way. Now let's talk about formal greetings. If you're at a job interview, meeting someone important, or speaking in a business setting, go for good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. For example, if you meet your boss at 9 a.m., you'd say, good morning, Mrs. Johnson. You can also use, how do you do? This one's old-fashioned and very formal. You probably won't hear it much, but it's good to know. If someone says, how do you do? The polite response is, how do you do? That's it. Now let's mix it up with some examples. Imagine you're at a party and you meet someone new. You could say, hi, I'm Emma, nice to meet you. Or at work, you might say, good afternoon, Mr. Lee, how are you? A quick tip, when you greet someone, don't forget to smile. It makes you sound friendlier, even if your English isn't perfect. Let's recap. Use hello and hi with just about anyone. Try hey and what's up with friends. For formal situations, stick to good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And if you're feeling fancy, maybe try how do you do? That's it for today. Try these greetings out and you'll feel more confident speaking English in any situation. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.
And that's it for now. It was just a quick hello. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Make sure you don't miss our next lesson, which is about introducing yourself in English. Take care and stay awesome as you like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Ciao.
Bye.